Hello everyone, welcome to Sanam's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how you can make pani puri. Since the lockdown, I've been missing so much. So for the puri, we're going to take half cup of semolina, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida, and we're going to make a soft dough. Now suji does absorb a lot of water, so add water accordingly, and we're going to knead until it's nice and smooth. Now let it rest for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes we are going to roll it out. So I'm going to divide the dough into 2 equal parts, and I'm going to roll out as thin as possible. You can also use loose flour if it's sticking. So for this amount of flour, I made like 40 pani puris. So with a cookie cutter, I cut out the puris, and we are ready to fry. Now we want to fry it on a high heat. So my oil is heating up and it's smoking hot, and I'm going to add the puris and just press until it all puffs out. And we want it to fry until it's the bubbles stop coming out of it, so that it doesn't have any moisture left. So it's all puffing out nicely. So when the bubbles stop coming out, it's ready, and you can take it out on a paper towel. Now you can hear the crunch, how crunchy it became. So our puri is ready. Now let's make pani of flavored water. For that I'm taking 1 cup of coriander or hara dhania or cilantro, and half cup of mint leaves, green chilies as per taste, 1-inch piece of ginger, cumin seed, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to add half a cup of water, and we're going to blend it until smooth. So how beautiful the color looks. Now I'm going to strain the mixture out. Now at this point it is very concentrated, so I'm going to strain it, and whatever the mixture left, I'm going to save that for later use. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of water and 2 teaspoons of chaat masala. If you have pani puri masala, you can add that too. Now add a lime juice. If you like more tangy or less tangy, you can add accordingly. I added 1 whole lime. Water is ready. So now how beautiful it looks. I just decorated with some bundi. It's optional. Now let's make the filling. For that I took boiled potatoes and the strained paste that I saved, cumin seeds and salt and red chili powder and chaat masala. Mix it really well, and the potato filling is ready. Now you could take a boiled chickpea or bengal gram, whatever you prefer. Add cumin seeds and red chili powder, and this is also ready. So now everything is ready. Now let's assemble. So I'm going to take the puri, poke it from top, and then add potato filling, chickpeas, and chopped onions, and sweet chutney. I also have a recipe for that. And dip it in water, and here your pani puri is ready. So I'm going to play a pani puri wala today. So here, that's for my son. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and have fun.